Hi there, Maisie here. I wanted to share with you a very quick tutorial in case you are interested in ordering one of my products that requires you to send in a photograph of a recipe, invitation, or maybe a note for the back of one of our ceramic items. This is a super easy way to do to get me a photograph. So here I have a recipe. I offer a recipe tea towel as well as a platter. This is really just a great way to commemorate a family recipe in the cook or baker's own handwriting. And I also have an invitation. So I also offer a wedding invitation platter. And also, as you know, some of my ceramic items, you're able to take a picture of a handwritten note. So it looks like your note with your own handwriting appears on the back of our ceramic items. And the way that we do this is super easy. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is your iPhone, the thing you want to photograph, and a nice clean white background. You can even do this on a plain wood background like this, and you just need something where it's a really good light source. So let me show you how we photograph this. This is really nice to do right by a sunny window or something where it's a really bright room. We don't want a lot of shadows. So what I want to do is I'm going to take my recipe, and when I photograph this, I want to make sure that my phone is as parallel to the surface as possible. This is going to get me a really clear photograph of what you want to share with me. So I'm just going to take my picture, and it's completely parallel to the surface. Snap your picture and send it along. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.